Meaning of infrared.
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 Infrared. Infrared refers to the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that has longer wavelengths than visible light but shorter than radio waves. Infrared radiation is emitted by all objects above absolute zero temperature. It is commonly used in various applications such as remote sensing, industrial heating, and communication. The human eye cannot see infrared radiation, but it can be detected with special devices, such as thermal cameras. Infrared radiation has numerous practical applications, from identifying heat sources, to medical diagnosis, to monitoring environmental conditions. Its use has revolutionized many industries, making processes faster, safer, and more efficient.